आज का मेरा टॉपिक है यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन एजुकेशनल लीडरशिप कंटेंट नीड ऑफ यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी effective use of technology technological resources technological communication use of traditional media need of using technology in educational leadership transparency two-way communication MIS management information system flexibility involving all stakeholders for decision making brainstorming and feedback through online tools expanding access to learning open distance learning e-portal and LMS learning management system public relations strategies social media like Facebook Twitter WhatsApp and targeted blogs effective use of technology scaling up success enhance teachers effectiveness using data to inform learning teaching and leadership increasing academic achievement driving innovation and new educational models principles of application following principles will help school leaders in making informed decisions access integrate technology into daily life assessment and evaluation support community relationships development useful management information system data mining and data analysis presentation and projection of institutional progress web presence mobile accessibility development network and interface security search engine optimization cloud and distributed computing currently required skills for leadership level of integration at school or any other educational institution we can easily see that there are different levels of adoption which are mainly categorized by tier sing staff and sandbox 1991 entry adoption adaptation appropriation innovation technological resources technological resources are systems and tools required to effectively produce or create product or service these include people energy information tools machines capital and time technological resources aid production processes and service in companies and organizations the most important resource of technology is people technological resources management information system MIS the cloud drive Dropbox is a personal cloud storage service sometimes referred to as an online backup service that is frequently used for file sharing and collaboration PD web.net join educationweb.net it helps educators share innovative ideas to improve teaching and learning mobile devices parent portal pedagogy wheel technological communication telephones text messaging email video chat telecommuting teleconference and video conference blogs digital photo sharing video platforms Twitter Facebook use of traditional media newsletters electronic media use of social media Facebook Twitter use of traditional media Facebook and Twitter last thoughts there are some unstoppable forces that seem to ignore age or gender on the human side and speed of internet or firewalls on the technology front. The aforementioned also ignores the brands of computers, phones, laptops, or tablets. Social media is that force and has profoundly challenged norms and broken down more than one would have thought possible 25 years ago, when the world was emerging from the Cold War, a conflict that defined our globe. Here we are living in a time when social media has become a part of daily life of people across generations and has become a link for multi-generational families and friendship groups for from being a barrier to authentic communication. Social media has seen more people feeling connected to more people, thus creating relationships that are forcing us to consider what we mean by community. Isolation could be thing of past for people with mobility limitations, for older people living alone, and for those living in remote locations. A couple of years ago, digital media allowed us to replace our traditional paper-based school newsletter with a blog where article events and announcements were published as necessary and not just one every 2 weeks or once a month. Starting next year, we are moving to a multi-blog, multi-authored platform for communication. It will take all of blog posts, tweets, Facebook's posts, Google calendars, events, and curate them into a dynamic electronic magazine for our community, enabling us to share more of our learning with an even wider audience. Readers will be able to share, repost, and comment in which